Our final award for the evening is our Outstanding Public Servant Award. We created this award because our elected officials and those that serve in our state and federal agencies, who are paid with our tax dollars, are key to implementing good policies that protect both the environment and public health. We must hold them accountable for missteps and, just as importantly, celebrate them when they help create solutions for the serious problems facing our state and country. Prairie Rivers Network is more than a conservation organization. Protecting our natural world is not just about enjoying the beauty and wonder of nature. It is also a public health issue. Clean water and a healthy food system are essential for public health. Getting outside and enjoying nature is essential for our mental health. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought into sharp focus the importance of public health. Officials in Illinois recognized early the threat this virus posed and made science-based decisions under incredibly difficult circumstances. Our public health professionals are on the front lines protecting us from this devastating virus. We appreciate their unabashed commitment to science and telling us the hard truths. We owe them our gratitude for their efforts to keep us safe. That is why we are so honored and humbled to recognize Illinois' public health professionals as this year's recipient of our Outstanding Public Servant Award. Our local public health administrator of Champaign County, Julie Pryde, exemplifies these professionals. On behalf of all of us at Prairie Rivers Network, we are happy to have Julie Pryde and Dr. Ngozi Ezike, Director of the Illinois Department of Public Health, accept this award in honor of all of Illinois' public health professionals.
Good evening. My name is Julie Pryde, and I'm the administrator for the Champaign-Urbana Public Health District. Thank you for the opportunity to join you this evening to learn more about the important work of Prairie Rivers Network. I am honored to accept this award on behalf of my hardworking colleagues across Illinois. This has been a strange and difficult year thus far, and I'm afraid it's going to get worse before it gets better, but it will get better. I cannot tell you how wonderful it is to be the public health administrator of Champaign County, a county that values science and facts, a county with top-notch medical care and a world-class university. While my colleagues struggle with trying to implement even the most basic public health measures such as mask wearing and social distancing, I live in a community that not only understands the science behind the request, but also care enough about each other to wear the mask and to ensure that everyone has access to them. I have witnessed unparalleled levels of collaboration, communication, goodwill, and genuine caring. I do not have to tell you who are trying to protect our waters that science denial, partisanship, and mean-spiritedness can really wear you down. The constant fighting against those who deny reality is exhausting. I am grateful that you all carry on despite these obstacles. And CU Public Health District supports your efforts as we understand the One Health approach. We understand that animal health, human health, and environmental health are inescapably linked to one another. We must all continue to work together and fight on, for this is literally a battle of life and death. I thank you for all you do, and I proudly accept this honor from your esteemed network on behalf of my public health colleagues across the state. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm so happy to be joining you and tremendously honored to be considered an outstanding public servant, along with my esteemed colleague, Julie Pryde with the Champaign-Urbana Public Health District. Similar to the mission of the Prairie Rivers Network of protecting water, healing land, and inspiring change, the Illinois Department of Public Health is focused on protecting the health of Illinois residents and inspiring people to take action to stay healthy. This mission during the COVID-19 pandemic has been especially important, but also very challenging. Perhaps similar to what you may hear, that global warming isn't real. Pollution is just a fact of life, or there's nothing that people can do to protect the environment and the ecosystems. We are hearing from people who think this pandemic isn't real, that the virus isn't that bad, or that wearing a mask and social distancing won't help. Despite these misconceptions or misunderstandings, we will continue to do our absolute best to protect the health of all Illinoisans by sharing the latest scientific information and data, as well as inspire people to take action, wear a mask, keep social distance, and wash our hands. I will add just one more thought. During this pandemic, we have found that many people are choosing to explore and enjoy the great outdoors as a way to get out of the house in a safe way. In doing so, hopefully, people have found an appreciation of the environment and an understanding that keeping our land and our water healthy will keep us healthy as well. Thank you again for this tremendous honor, and thank you for all the work that you do.